This is Mario Antonio Ipareño. Uh, mm, we should uh, we should uh, we should have an emergency military UN agreement in purpose of saving those countries inflicted with natural catastrophes, whether it's earthquake, flood, extreme weather condition like uh, large hail of snow, sudden change of temperature from cold to zero degrees, from typhoons, etc., hurricanes, etc. We, 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 we just have to have a simple military agreement among those countries near to a specific country that is inflicted to those various natural or artificial calamities. Then, for example, Manila, Philippines. The airports of Manila, Philippines, naval, armies can tag together with soldiers, armies, naval, airports of Vietnam, or Indonesia, Malaysia, Australia, etc. Those very near to each specific country that is inflicted with flood or different conditions. For example, another example is a country, Japan. When on or before the said, because we have those facilities like technological devices that can predict earthquakes, typhoons, even hurricanes, etc. We just simply use that in every country around the world, especially those countries that mark on those countries. For example, Japan is more earthquake prone and tsunami prone. We or other countries have those like conditions too. So we share technologies and advancement for those, and plus emergency UN military agreement that whoever needs certain backup, or whatever country who have a trouble, or we can help each other, countries by countries. The chain agreement, we will forget those little sentiments and focus on those brothers of us. UN emergency military agreement. We can target with the Red Cross for their specialty in medicine, especially in medicine and helping people. And UNICEF, etc., etc. As world foundations. Okay, this is Marl Antonio Pareño from Plan Pareño, Miguel Macalinaw, from Cargara Leyte, Pareño are from Bocolo, Negros, Manila, Philippines. I'm now residing in Cambria, Alvarez, Cavite. Grabe, LSS Black Rio, tinuturuan. Saying, Marlon tayo pa rin yung saying, bagay sa lagi guys, God bless, mabuhay.